Honey, we need to talk.
Okay, dear. What's on your mind?
Well, I'm leaving you.
You what?
I'm seeing someone else.
Really?
Yes, I'm sorry.
No, don't say it. Please.
No, I want you to know.
I know. It's me, not you.
No,
Really, please don't.
but I want you to know.
What?
What?
What were you going to say?
I just want you to know it's about me, not you.
Of course, dear. I know.
I'm really sorry.
No, that's all right. Don't be. I've wanted to tell you something too. I just haven't had the courage. But I guess I might as well tell you. I'm sleeping with your sister.